Hey everybody, today's experiment is going to be using borax. I hope you have some in your house. If not, it's at the grocery store and Walmart for real cheap. Measuring cup, you'll need about just over a cup of water, a tablespoon measure, pot, and you know what? I've already done the experiment because I wanted you to see how awesome it is. So you need a pencil, and I used some paper clips and a container, and food coloring. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you can just move things out of the way. Put your water in your pot. So in the water, you can just take your tablespoon measure and put 5 good tablespoons in there in the 1 cup of water. And then you're gonna take this over to the stove and heat it up and stir it in there. So I added a little bit more borax to the water. So now it's super saturated, which means that it is holding more than a cold water would be able to. When you heat it up, water is able to dissolve even more salts. Borax, I'm sure, is some sort of salt. Anyways, I've got about 8 tablespoons of borax in there now. I'm gonna put it in my container, and then I'm going to put in my food coloring now. Got like a nice dark purpley color. Should make, oh man, wow. Should make some pretty crystals. Now, I'm doing this the night before, and it's going to be ready in the morning. That's why I wanted to do it now. But anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some interesting shapes with the paper clips. It doesn't really matter what you do with them. So I'm going to hang it in the water like that. And I'm just going to loop it over my pencil. And it's in the water. You're going to want it off the bottom. And we're going to leave it overnight, just like that. Okay, so we'll check it out in the morning. Alright, so here is my mixture after slightly over 12 hours. Now, these borax crystals work so much faster than salt crystals and like table salt crystals and sugar crystals. So here it is. Look at that. Isn't that great? So sparkly. I think the kids will love that. Indeed, borax is a salt. It's sodium borate. We think of salt as table salt, but lots of things are a salt because it's an acid and base mix. So there's lots of acids and bases out there, so there's lots of salts out there. Have fun with this. It is awesome. I'm going to leave it in this cup and see if it will continue to grow bigger.